Okay, let's get right into it. Forget the guesswork, forget just going with your gut. For artists on YouTube, your data, that's your superpower. We're going to pull back the curtain on YouTube analytics and show you exactly how it's the key to understanding your impact, finding your people, and really growing your entire career. So here's our game plan for today. We're going to go step by step through your analytics, and I promise by the end, you'll see how to turn all those numbers and charts into a real, actionable strategy for your music. First things first, let's get our bearings. When you sign into YouTube Studio and head over to the analytics section, I want you to think of that place as your mission control, right? It's the command center for every single song, video, and short you launch into the world. Now, to keep you from getting overwhelmed, YouTube breaks it all down into 3 main tabs. These are the building blocks for everything else, and they basically answer 3 simple questions. What's happening with my music? How are people finding it? And who are these people? Here is how it all works. Overview is your quick at-a-glance check-in, perfect for when you've just dropped a new track. Then, the Content tab is where you dig deeper to find your biggest hits and see how people are discovering them. And Audience, well, that's where you truly get to meet your fans. All right, let's talk about a feature that's unique to artists, and honestly, it's a total game changer. This is where you get to see the true, organic, viral life of your music, way beyond just the stuff you upload yourself. This total reach filter is so powerful. See, normally you're just looking at data from your own channel, but when you flip the switch to include other channels, wow. Suddenly, you see every fan-created short, every dance challenge, every single use of your song across the platform. It's the difference between looking at your work with a magnifying glass and seeing its impact from a satellite. Okay, so the big picture is great, but let's get practical. Let's start answering the real questions that I know every artist has, starting with that big, urgent one you feel right after you drop a new track. You know the feeling. You've poured your heart into a new song, you hit publish, and then that moment of truth. You're just dying to know, is this thing connecting with people? Is anyone out there actually listening? Well, the good news is you don't have to guess. The answer is literally just a few clicks away. You follow these simple steps and you can see not just that people are listening, but how they're listening. You get a clear breakdown of traffic from your official video versus all those fan-created shorts. This is how you discover where your song is really taking off. Knowing how a single song is doing is great, but let's zoom out. Let's figure out the size and maybe more importantly, the loyalty of your entire audience. Views are great, but they don't tell the whole story, do they? 1 million views could be 1 million different people, or it could be your #1 fan listening on repeat. What you really want to know is how many individual people are tuning in. So the metric you need to look for is unique viewers. It's in the Audience tab and it's crucial. It cuts through all the noise of repeat plays and gives you a much cleaner, more accurate picture of your true audience size. This is the number of real people you're reaching. But reach is one thing. Loyalty is gold. This report right here is your key to understanding that. It separates the people who just found you from the dedicated fans who keep coming back. By comparing new and returning viewers, you can learn which of your songs are your best handshake and which ones are the anthems for your core fan base. So now that you know who your audience is and what they really love, we can use that amazing knowledge to get strategic and plan your next big move. This question is everything. And I'm telling you, it's not just a fun fact, it is a treasure map. The answer can unlock your next brilliant video idea or point you straight to your next great partnership. Inside the Audience tab, you'll find a card called What Your Audience Watches. This thing is a goldmine. You can see other artists your fans love. I mean, hello, potential collaborators. You can see other kinds of videos they enjoy. This is how you understand your musical neighborhood on YouTube and tailor your own content to fit right in. And what about finding the tastemakers who are already promoting you? You can do that too. Just follow these steps. You can drill right down into your traffic sources and see every single playlist that's featuring your music and sending new listeners your way. It's an incredible tool. So there you have it. You've got the map, you've got the tools, all the data is right there, laying out the entire story of your music and your audience. The only question left is, are you ready to listen?